In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Telegram group links quickly and easily using Telegram Web. This is a simple method if you want to share your group invitation link with friends, customers, students, or your community without having to search for it every time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram Web in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the group where you are an admin. This is important because only admins will usually have access to manage and copy the group invite link. After opening the group, look at the top of the chat and click on the group name. This will open the group information panel. On the right side, you should now see the link section. This is where Telegram displays the group invite link. Click on that link to copy it to your clipboard. Once it is copied, you can paste it anywhere you want. You can send it in a message, share it on social media, add it to your website, or send it directly to the people you want to invite. If you want, you can keep this link saved for future use so you don't have to repeat the process every time. And that's it. You've now learned how to add and copy a Telegram group link using Telegram Web. It only takes a few clicks, and once you know where to look, it becomes very easy to share your group with anyone. If this video helped you out, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.